So the way you make basic graphics is you just make a class. Very simple ways to make a class called public void paint with the parameters graphics G. Graphics is the type of thing, and G is what the thing is called. And then you can make a number of things there. You can make different geometric shapes, like G dot fill oval. That just makes like a circle on the screen and fills it in. There's 4 numbers in that. The first number is the distance to the shape from the left edge of the window. The second number is the distance to the shape from the top edge of the window. And then the third number is the width, and the fourth number is the height of the actual shape itself. So this is what that shape I just made looks like. 300 from the left, 300 from the top, 100 wide, and 100 tall. You can also make squares and rectangles. Fill rect. I like to think that rect stands for rectum, even though it doesn't. And the same thing. First number is the distance from the left edge. Second number is the distance from the top. Third number is the width of the shape, and the fourth number is the height. You can also change the colors of the shape. Just do G dot set color dot, and then the color in all caps. Anything after the color, setting the color, will be that color, like so. You can also replace fill with draw, and it will not fill the shapes in, like so. Just sort of give you an outline if you want that for some reason. If you want to do more complicated graphics, you should use double buffering. A commenter actually told me about this on one of my previous videos. Basically, just change your paint class to paint component, make an image object and a graphics object, make a new public void paint class, and then there's a lot of stuff that goes in here. I'm not going to explain how to do it. You just pretty much just fill in this text. If you just fill in all of this stuff, and I'll explain what it actually does in a minute, but just type all this in there. Grab a screenshot of that if you want. So basically how it works is paint component is where you give the computer instructions as to like what you want to be on the screen. The computer then uses those instructions in paint component as like what to put in the picture, and then it displays that picture in the window. So that's everything you need to know to display graphics. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and I'd be happy to answer those, because I am well aware that there may be gaps in my explanation. So just let me know if this was helpful. Hope it was.